Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to access main electrical panel in your pool water heater. In this case is TTI FAB Stratus, but it can be applicable to any similar pool heaters, and this will allow you to either troubleshoot what's going on inside of your pool heater, or even if you have experience, electrical background or license, it will allow you to connect power supply to your heater. Let's go for it. So the first thing you want to do, go and turn on the pump, turn on the breakers for the pump and for the heater. The electrical panel is located behind this place, and what you need to do is remove these 4 screws to access the main box. Now I remove the top panel, and this is where the main electrical board with the fuse and transformer and all the connectors is located. You have 4 another screws. Unscrew them. And now you have access to the main board and to all the connectors. What you might be interested in is where the fuse is located. It's on the main board. It's actually labeled as fuse. Or if you're connecting this unit, you have to feed the cable right to L1, L2 connectors. And then most likely you need 240 volts, so you will have white and black cables connecting to L1 and L2. That's all. That's how you access the main electrical panel on your pool water heaters. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!